Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix OneDrive startup JavaScript error on Windows 10 PC. So friends, to fix this error, there is very simple and easy method. Firstly, click on Start. Now type Run. Open the Run command. Now friends, in here type inetcpl.cpl. Then click on OK. So friends, you will see this dialog box. In here click on Advanced. Now in here click on Reset. Check this box, delete personal settings. Then click on Reset. Now close it and restart your PC. So friends, using this very simple and easy method, hopefully this OneDrive script error will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video. Please friends comment this video work for you or not. And please friends subscribe my channel.